Hey there everyone, welcome to Vibecoder's webinar. In this webinar, I'm going to teach you how to use vibe coding. Okay, now let me explain it to you that what is vibe coding. Vibe coding is you like AIs to help you code from scratch. Like you don't know how to code, but AI will teach you step by step. Now let's get started. At first, you have to download Visual Studio Code. You search this in Google, then come to this website, scroll down. Uh, you will see download button right top. Okay. Now, I'm using Windows, so I will download this Windows. If you're using Linux or Mac, you have to download these ones, not Windows. You click this, and see, it's downloading. Now, it's downloaded. You have to click it twice, agree, and click next. I already downloaded it, so I will not continue with the process. Now let's create a folder in this downloads and name it our idea. I want to make Flappy Bird a game like Flappy Bird. Now let's run Visual Studio Code. You click File from laptop and click New File. Oh, the new file is already created right now. You have to click this one, Explore, and click Open Folder. Then select your folder which you created. I created in Downloads tab, so I will select this one. Now we connected this Flappy Bird file. You can see right here, left side. Now let's get back to ChatGPT and tell him our idea. I will write I want to use VSTZ Visual Studio Code to make a game like Flappy Bird. I created a folder and write the name of folder. And he will say us, you can proceed step by step to make a Flappy Bird style game in your Flappy Bird folder. And let's see what he says us. He says, go to Flappy Bird file, click that new file, and create index.html. It's created. Now let's get back to here, and it says create style CSS. And we click that new file again. We write style CSS. It's created. You can see. And we come back to here. What it says is to create game JavaScript. We click that new file again, game JavaScript, JS, and it's created. Now it says open index.html. Let's copy this one and pass the code which we copied from the script. Now we come to style CSS. Let's copy this one and copy paste here. We get a game JavaScript script. Select this and pass, then save. To save this, you have to hold Control and click S. That's the easiest way, or otherwise you can just come File and click Save. You can see the shortcut shows right here. Okay, open live in server. It says now how to, let's say we wrote our code right here, and how can we run this to test? You come to your file and you will see index. You just right click and click open with, then select Google Chrome. See, it writes Flappy Bird. Now let's tell the ChatGPT that we see Flappy Bird text, but there is no game. I wrote to ChatGPT that we opened index.html, but we only see Flappy Bird text like this one. There's no bird or no obstacle like Flappy Bird. Now it will say to us how to make this. We have to update this one to our game JavaScript. You come to Visual Studio Code, open game JavaScript, and pass this. Now let's try again. Okay, now we have a yellow bird, but we don't have obstacles. We wrote now add obstacles. Now let's wait to ChatGPT to add our obstacles. Okay, we copy this one, come to Virtual Studio Code, come game JavaScript, pass this one. Now let's run our index.html again. You can see we have a Flappy Bird, this yellow cube, but the obstacles are moving too fast. I wrote the problems here. Now the ChatGPT AI will use his brain to help us. It said a few to edit a few parts. If you don't want to search for these a few parts right here, you just come to JavaScript, uh, hold Control and click A. You select all, then copy. Then come to here and write update yourself and pass your JavaScript codes here. And the ChatGPT will search for these ones and edit them himself. Okay, now let's copy this one. Come to James JavaScript, paste again. Now let's try our game. Let's check the code. Okay, the game is broken. The game is broken. Now I see only blank white screen. Let's see if we get any error again. Right click. Hmm. Let's copy all the script, check this script and fix errors. Now, let's copy this one, paste again, and let's check this time. It's still too hard to play like this. Now let's come to edit it ourselves. Make it 1, make it 200. Let's save. Okay, it didn't work well, right? Now let's change gravity a little bit. Still, we need some adjustment. You have to change this like yourself to find the best for you. Our boat speed is a little too fast. Let's check where we can edit it. We go to pipe speed and we couldn't find right here, so we will ask AI. How can I change speed of my bird? Okay, that means the screen is moving too fast. Okay, that means we have to edit this one, pipe speed. Let's make it like this and see if it makes any change. No, that's not good. Okay, this looks good. Now what we want is to follow our score. I want to have a score on the left of screen. Let's copy all of our code. Here's my game script. Edit it yourself and add score on to the left. Also, let's say we have a health bar right here, like 10 health, and when you touch any obstacle, you will lose one of your health. Let's wait for the updated game JavaScript. Let's see, let's copy this one, come to this, past, and now let's refresh. This is the screen is moving too fast. Let's try our updated new code. Then we will add a few more functions. Let's copy, come here, paste our updated code and try again. No, the previous one was normal. How to edit gap between? Let's say that there's two obstacles, first and second. How do I edit gap between them? Okay, it says that. Let's add a gap. That looks like this. Let's try it. Ah, that's not good. You can see we can't move our boat to forward with. Let's check again. Pipe speed is okay. Let frame count is okay. Let's edit this one to 200. Okay, our score is working, our health is working. Now let's add menu, pause, and return to menu. Let's wait for the updated codes, then apply them to our game JavaScript. Probably we will edit style CSS2 and index HTML. Let's copy this, come to game JavaScript, paste, and refresh our game. Okay, we will see start game. Something's odd. Let's check our edited codes. Gap between 200. Pipe speed to 1. Let's edit lift. Oh, we have to edit the gravity, that's why. That must work now. Let's edit gravity more. Okay, it works good now, I think, right? But it's a little too hard to play because the obstacles are created randomly. Okay, we have the start game, pause it, and main menu. Now let's add something odd. Let's add like we can shoot with mouse 1, so we can destroy the abnormal obstacles, right? That's a good idea. Let's see if it will work. Let's copy this one, paste here, save, refresh. The code is not over. Let's copy again. Okay, it's over now. Okay, now all the screen obstacle. Fix it. And while he sends the code, let's check it ourselves to see if we can fix it. Let's wait for the updated code, then try our last update. Let's copy this one, refresh. We got a refresh button. But it didn't add, it had the refresh button himself, but there's no ammo in it. I mean, we can't shoot any ammo with, we can't destroy these obstacles with mouse 1. Let's copy it. Oh, okay, it works now. See, we destroyed it, we destroyed it. Now let's come here and edit our health. Health is 10, let's make it 100. The 100 was a mistake. Let's make it 50. Okay, that's good. We added ammo. You can destroy this obstacles, and we also added a refresh button. My bad. We also have added a main menu, refresh button, and pause button. You can see our code right here, which is built by AI himself. We didn't add anything. We just saw things and told that to AI, and AI did it himself. So that's it for our webinar today. Thanks for watching and see you guys in our next webinars. Also, make sure to message me if you need any kind of help or any kind of question. I will try my best to help you. See you guys.